Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share about one opportunity, GovAI Winter Fellowship 2026, which is a fully funded AI governance research in London. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities, your go-to place for life-changing programs, scholarships, and fellowships from around the world. Are you an early career researcher, policymaker, or practitioner passionate about AI governance? Imagine spending 3 months in London, fully funded, working alongside experts at the Center for the Governance of AI, shaping the future of AI policy. Sounds good. So now let's talk about what the opportunity is about. So the GovAI Winter Fellowship 2026, which is a 3 month long immersive in-person program in London, where you will conduct independent AI governance research guided by the expert mentorship. What are the eligibility criteria? So in order to apply for this Winter Fellowship, there are some eligibility criteria. For example, it is open globally to early career individuals or those new to AI governance. Government and academia, industry, civil societies are also eligible to apply. Formal degrees not mandatory, but relevant experience or graduate level work in public policy, computer science, economics, law, sociology, philosophy, and related areas preferred. Strong reasoning, writing skills, and commitment to using career toward AI governance. Benefits, which is the most crucial part. If you know the benefits, then it will motivate you uh, for the successful application. So let's talk about the benefits. So you will get £11,000 for the stipend for 3 months, and the travel support to and from London, plus visa sponsorships. GoBI will help with 3 months UK work visa, workspace and lunches provided on weekdays, full-time in-person experience in GoBI's London office, mentorship from senior GoBI researchers, and access to expert Q&A sessions, workshops, peer reviews, and career advice. What are the application process? So once you are understand about the benefits and about the winter fellowships, so now let's talk about the application process. It's pretty much simple. You have to submit an online written applications. I'll attach the link in the description. An automated assessment, 20 minutes more or less, for selected candidates. Paid remote work test for the second round, and final remote interview, then offers. For the timeline, automated assessment mm, till August, and work test shortly after it, and interviews in September, offers by October. And you have to keep in mind some important dates. But application deadline is 13 July, and the fellowship period is from 19 January to 10 April in 2026. So here I'm coming with some tips for your successful applications. For example, showcase high quality research ability, strong reasoning, crisp writing, connect your experience to AI governance relevance, demonstrate solid judgment and project feasibility, highlight team fit, openness to feedback, and intellectual rigor, prepare for automated assessment and remote work test, time management and clarity research deliverables. And if you are ready to join GoBay in London, apply by 13 July 2025, as I already mentioned, and click in the link in the description. And if you find this video useful, Like this video, subscribe and share so that others can seize this opportunity. So let's shape AI's future together. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.